Absolutely missed it. Yeah, so just throw them around the edge of it. Get in here. 0.97.
Hey.
Slack lined it so hard. I'm like, you are not coming off. Good one. Yes.
Nice.
He bit it a long time ago. This needs to be my smallest. 1.8.
Yeah, it's like, this is like one of the hardest sports to cheat in.
Alright, watch out, I got one. Get him. Alright, then that's another 10 minutes. Every time we catch a fish, it extends us 10 minutes. It's big today.
1.6.
70 something.
81.
Oh, it's hotter here for there to be life.
Right.
Has the perfect amount of water. Like, did you know that the seasons are just from There's a sick one. Just cruising down the bank. Those ones that cruise, they're so hungry. That's crazy, man. You just
saw him hit it? I saw you.
Yeah, I saw him swimming down the bank and I just flipped it right in front of me, like zoomed down to it.
Number 5.
That is so. Let's hope he's not too sick. GG's. Ah! Dang it, look at that. He ripped the tail of my worm up.
Big dude, little.
I mean, I don't know. He's tripping. He's not little. Oh, he is little. Never mind, he is little.
That might beat the 0.7, barely.
He's 12.
That is a goal.
Yeah, that one's like, dude. Look cool. Oh, if only you were bigger. You stinky little stinker. Just light.
Yeah.
If I was getting that much action duck hunting, I'd be leaving in 10 minutes.
I know. So either there's a million duck hunters. Not even a keeper. Can you break that 0.8?
0.88. That's the number, the smallest one.
Yeah. It's every point.
Five alive.
I pulled it twice up to 0.89. Like, oh my.
Big one. 278. 278. Total weight. 8.15.
In fifth place with 8.15, Tommy Ross.
Good job, Tom.